VOLISUN sent me their solar cap, post light caps, I guess you could call them. They're really, really cool. They sent that for my review. And this is what it looks like out of the box. And I'm gonna show you, I mean, it might be a little confusing right out of the package because you have two different sizes. And that's the really nice thing, because commonly you have those two standard posts, which are 4x4 or 5x5. Well, 4x4 or 5x5. So you can use both or either, obviously, in your backyard or your entryway. And the only thing that you need to do is grab the solar panel and LED component module and honestly just literally twist. So insert and twist, and it's set. And then of course you would actually just place it on top of your post, and it comes with the hardware to install on your wooden post, and then you're good to go. Now the cool thing with this is that they do include the rechargeable battery right here, and the rechargeable battery is recharged with your solar panel. So there's no funny business with cables and wires and having to pull it out and recharge the batteries indoors. It will go from dusk to dawn, being really, really bright and nice and in your backyard or in your entryway or your driveway, and you don't have to recharge it. It will recharge automatically during the day, which is really nice. And like I said, 5x5 or the smaller, there you go, or the smaller 4x4 that also fits both. This is an 8-pack, and they are fantastic. VOLISUN makes a lot of different kind of designs, but I am really taken with this cubic kind of cool design, and I love the fact that you've got all these little reflection or refractive kind of components on to the panel here. So at night, it really brights it up, as you can see.